Hello everyone, my name is Caleb Knox and I'm a student here at Patrick Henry College. Now the building we've just walked into is the Barbara Hodel Center. This is really the heart of campus life. It's a building that holds classrooms, our dining hall, our gym and weight room, along with the student kitchen and my personal favorite, the racquetball court. But then you also have the bookstore right over here.
Hi, welcome in. My name is Lucy Dasher and I work here in the bookstore. The bookstore is the go-to spot for everything you might need for your classes, from textbooks to notebooks, writing tools, snacks, school merchandise, and even the occasional energy drink. Every year, we sell about 10,000 textbooks to our 400-some students, and each semester, we host a buyback where students can sell back their books. Like Caleb said, we are conveniently located across the lobby from the coffee shop, a great place for studying, hanging out with friends, and even listening to the occasional music recital hosted by our wonderful music department. Thank you all so much for stopping by. I'll hand you all back to Caleb so you can continue on with your tour.
Now there's a lot more of campus life that you're going to be able to see. But before you get there, there's one more thing I wanted to point out to you. We have a verse here in the BHC, sitting around the sides here, that really reminds us of what we're actually doing. It comes from Jeremiah and is found again in 1 Corinthians. Let not the wise man glory in his wisdom. Let not the mighty man glory in his might. Let not the rich man glory in his riches. But let him who glories glory in the Lord. This is the end of all that we're doing here at Patrick Henry College, the point of all of our studies. I hope that you enjoy the rest of your day and your tour here.